In this tutorial, we'll explore how to save NumPy arrays as text files using the savetxt function. This powerful function allows you to export your array data in human-readable formats that can be easily shared with other tools and programs. np.savetxt is a NumPy function that writes arrays to text files in a human-readable format. This makes it perfect for sharing data with non-Python tools and programs, such as spreadsheet applications or data analysis software that don't natively support NumPy's binary format. The basic syntax for savetxt is straightforward. You call np.savetxt, pass in the file name as a string in quotes, followed by the array you want to save. This simple two-parameter format creates a space-delimited text file with your array data. Here's a simple example. First, we import NumPy as np. Then we create a two-dimensional array called data containing a 3x3 matrix with values 1 through 9. Finally, we call np.savetxt with the file name output.txt and our data array. This saves our array to a text file with default formatting. Savetxt offers several key parameters to customize your output. The delimiter parameter lets you specify the character that separates values in each row. The fmt parameter controls the format string for numbers, allowing you to set precision and style. The header parameter adds text at the beginning of the file, and the comments parameter sets the character that prefixes header lines. The delimiter parameter is useful for creating different file formats. To save as CSV, use delimiter equals comma in quotes. This creates a comma-separated values file. For tab-separated values, use delimiter equals \t in quotes. This creates a tab-delimited file that works well with spreadsheet programs. The fmt parameter controls how numbers are formatted in your output file. To format numbers with 2 decimal places, use fmt equals %.2f in quotes. For integer format with no decimal places, use fmt equals %d in quotes. This gives you precise control over how your numerical data appears in the text file. You can add column headers to your output file using the header parameter. Set delimiter to comma, then use header equals with your column names separated by commas, all in quotes. Set comments to an empty string to prevent the default hash symbol from being added before your header. This creates a properly formatted CSV file with column names in the first row.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.